In the Presto project, we did three things, basically. We looked at what research did the member states already fund on the impacts of genetically modified organisms. Secondly, what kinds of genetically modified organisms are currently being developed on the whole world by companies, but also by public research institutes. And thirdly, what kind of science do we need to address questions that might be arising from the use of these genetically modified organisms in Europe? And from all these three questions, from all the data that we gathered, we tried to come up with ideas on what the member states would need or could fund in the future in terms of research projects on the impacts of genetically modified organisms, meaning both the risks but also the benefits. Because what we have seen is that the member states and also the European Commission has focused mainly over the past 20 years on the potential risks of using GMOs, and it's now time to also look at the benefits and trying to weigh these two sides of using GMOs. And then, of course, there's a huge amount of different GMOs being developed in crop plants, but also in trees and ornamentals, in animals ranging from insects over mammals to fish, and also in microorganisms. So there's a lot of potential there. There are a lot of different traits being developed for lots of different uses, input traits and output traits. And there's a lot of science and research that needs to be done in order to really give a good picture of what the potential uses and what the potential benefits, but also the potential risks of using these GMOs could be for Europe.